yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, la, la, la. Yeah. Oh, la, la, la. Oh, la. From the heart of Oguta land, we rise with strength, we rise and stand. And man, she calling, nobody hold my bright. Now we guard our streets at night. No more fear, no more run. With our brothers holding on. Motorcycles, boots on ground. Stone guns ready, peace profound. But now, we there, Oguta strong. We no go fail. Thank you all from far and near. Now we chop life with no fear. From Naira, bounce to dollar sign. Your love, they make our spirit shine. Volunteers, we see your light. Together we go hold this fire. Night glasses shine to the dark. We dey patrol from road to park. Sisters, brothers, worldwide crew. This foundation day because of you. You sent your hands, you sent your grace. From every country to every place.
The admin officer of Oguta Police Command, here contain Rufus Specialty, represented by Mahamadike Ifeanyi Anozie, the West Officer. Members of the FOC are here, the person from Mr. London and Bokini. Committees, like myself, I'm a member of the IREC, and the chairman of the commission today is a member of the IREC too. We have 3 other committees who are in diaspora: the SMART and the Human Resources Harmonization Committee is also coming from diaspora. And the SCOF committee, they are all coming from diaspora. Part of our programs, you will see it online, it will be shown on television here. They will address us, you will see them, they will see us. So that is the essence of
Chewa Ndo na different day Ndo aka and the national now all different day therefore na ifela Garangoma and national quarter more all go chairman man you tata different day different position na goya who was start alishi that you Jesus Christ.
It is indeed an honor and privilege to welcome you to the commissioning of Oguta Community Safety Support Foundation, Vigilante Operatives. The troubling security incidents during Christmas 2024, which saw 3 Oguta indigenes abducted and held for 2 weeks before being released after a ransom payment, highlighted critical security gaps in our community. This distressing episode underscored the need for decisive action to ensure our safety and security. In the wake of these events, a meeting of key stakeholders of the Oguta community, including heads of security agencies in Oguta, was convened by our traditional ruler, His Royal Highness, Eze Nnaninzeribe, Eze Iche. That meeting affirmed our collective responsibility to safeguard our people and address security gaps comprehensively. It led to the formation of a dedicated committee tasked with developing a forward-looking security framework. It should be noted that in response to the kidnapping incident, multiple initiatives emerged from various individuals and groups eager to address the challenges, resulting in
onye ọzọ ya ekwu okwu bụ onye isi ndị jikọtara dị sekuriti ya bụ onye bụ DP Oguta ọ ya gwa anyị obodo okwu gbasara nke esi bido na ka o siri zụpụta ndị sekuriti ndara biko
because of how you may other people who are not from either Oguta or Igbo, and I will use English language. This community policing, vigilante you can call it, was an outfit that was approved by Imo State government, and it has been in existence for some time before the emergence of Oguta vigilante, which we are celebrating today. We came from a very far journey, starting from the recruitment and going through the profiling to make sure that we have people of integrity, Oguta indigenous, that are embedded with good character. They were censored and profiled. Before we arrive at this, the vigilante people you are seeing there. Then after that, we enter into the training. The training was more of the code of conduct of Federal Republic of Nigeria you be arrested. The functionality of your work depends on your code of conduct which have been dished out to you. You know about it. If you see something, you say something. That should be your cardinal work. And they don't act outside the framework. Any crime committed within your area of primary assignment. That is why the workabilities are here. You can see the workabilities are here. You have been provided with them. You report straight to the central box, which is the station. And then the appropriate quarters will immediately back you up for that. As we continue, more other things will be unfolding itself. Thank you and welcome.
This uniform security system that you know presented. That can go and mark and show for the time. When I walk out, we can go to the trustees or this not a women. Based on the existing protocol, I would like to go with the unit of patrol. Patrol is a movement of security personnel around the given terrain to monitor and deter crime. In all sense, patrol is meant guide and protect a given terrain by security personnel and protect properties. Using for patrols: 1. To deter crime. 2. To protect citizens and properties.
want to give you your types of patrol. Number one, food patrol.
How to do surveillance?
In our own very west, we learned a lot during our course. We have been told of so many things, but the one that I want to specifically emphasize is mainly on surveillance. In surveillance, it simply means observing and monitoring people or to
Today, at the 11th day of October 2025, you will repeat after me. In the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, I hereby vote to dedicate this duty to my fatherland, to my community. I will not involve in anything that will bring dishonor to Oguta community, or to my family, or to my person. So help me God. Congratulations.
Coming to Oguta. Go on the road. Now, for the family, you know, but you shall go. Let you be on the way. When you don't go, I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go. When you're not sure, guys. No matter what you want to do. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to do. I'm going to ship it to the road.
Police in charge of security. One police. If an abigwe is the Poku, if we let the Poku, we face the Afu, no bona for the security. He may access to communication in the field. If an walking topic, when you open up in the nona or Yadinaji, who's up on this one, Yana when they begin, Nakari, or Yana Butifan and the walking topic. Jesus Christ.
every corner. Raise your voice, now we chop life, now we rejoice. We strong guns, motors, and the night game. We dey protect, make all man.